Hi, good evening. My name is Chris and I'm with Battle Rifle Company. We're here today to test the flash suppressor that we have designed. This is the flash suppressor. It's currently patent pending. It is the Disintegrator flash suppressor, 2.5 inches long, special design that we're going to mount on an AR-15 rifle, and we're going to test fire. First thing we're going to do this evening is we're going to turn down the lights and we're going to do a test fire of 5 rounds with no flash suppressor so that we can document what the actual effect of that is. This is the first firing 55 grain with no flash suppressor on this. Okay, now this is the same 55 grain with the standard A2 birdcage flash suppressor. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get you lined up.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, go.
Okay, this is firing 55 grain with the modifications that were made on the 3rd time.